Hey traders, in this video we're diving into scalping, a super cool strategy designed to help you make money quickly by taking advantage of short-term price changes. Let's get started. For this video, we'll use the Ethereum 15-minute chart as an example, but remember this awesome strategy works great for crypto, Forex, and stocks and more. Plus it's effective on any time frame from 1 minute to daily, so you can use it however you like. To kick off our free and profitable Alpha Trend Screener strategy, we'll start with the Alpha Trend Screener, a fantastic free indicator. Once you see it in the search results, click on it to add it to your chart. Before we start with the Alpha Screener, we need to adjust a few settings. Don't worry, it's really simple. In the settings, find the Inputs tab and make these changes. Set the length to 7. Set the multiplier to 1.1. Set the horizontal axis to 21. Set the vertical axis to 2. You can leave the other settings as they are, and there's no need to make any changes in the Style tab either. All right, let's break it down. The Alpha Screener uses ATR, MFI, and RSI to create the ribbons and signals you see on the chart. We're going to use these signals to know when to buy or sell. Now here's the deal: trading against the overall market trend can be risky and might lead to losses. So to stay on the safer side, we're going to use another tool to make sure we're always trading with the market trend. This way we can reduce risk and increase our chances of making a profit. But before that, let me talk about our recent video with $500 giveaway, and the link is both above here, down in the description, and also pinned to the comments. It's really easy to participate in this campaign. All you need to do is to subscribe, like the video, share it, comment Income Nomad channel, and if the likes of the video exceed 2,000 likes, I'll do the $500 giveaway on a live session for 5 random eligible subscribers. So what are you waiting for? Moving on, we're going to use the Kaufman Moving Average Adaptive Tool, also known as the Kaufman Indicator, to help us figure out the trend with great accuracy. Head back to the TradingView indicator section and search for Kaufman Moving Average Adaptive. Once you find it, add it to your chart. Now that you've added the Kaufman Indicator, we need to tweak a few settings before we can use it as a trend detector. In the Inputs tab, change the length to 180. Then, in the Style tab, you can make the comma line thicker and even change its color to make it easier to see. All right, let's get to it. Here's how we're going to use these indicators together for selling. First, wait for a sell signal from the Alpha Trend Screener. Once you get that signal, check if the trend is heading down. To do that, make sure the price action is below the 180 period Kaufman line. When both conditions are met, you're good to open a sell position. After opening a sell trade, set the stop loss just above the most recent swing high point of the market or slightly above the Kaufman line. This helps limit potential losses. To exit the trade with a profit, set your trade target at 1.5 times greater than the distance between your entry point and the stop loss. This way you can aim for a nice profit while keeping a reasonable risk. For buying, first, look for a buy signal from the Alpha Trend Screener. Next, confirm that the trend is heading upward by ensuring the price action is above the 180 period Kaufman line. Once both conditions are met, open the buy position. Then set the stop loss slightly below the recent market low point or just under the Kaufman line to help limit potential losses. To close the trade with a profit, set the trade target at a level that's 1.5 times greater than the distance between the entry point and the stop loss, maintaining a balance between risk and potential profit. As we wrap up this video, remember that the key to successful trading is following a well-planned strategy and using the right tools. Be sure to check out our recommended video on the screen for more insights on improving your trading skills. Happy trading!